Okay, so we're all set for the third day at BRL. So today we are going for an uphill trial, and what Helen says is this is like graduation. So it will be tough, maybe 2 times or 3 times harder than what we have done in the last 2 days. But the best part of it is we will have an opportunity to swim in the river. We'll have a fish massage, and there is a beautiful viewpoint, I believe. What is this trial called, Helen?
This is Coffin Cliff Trail.
Coffin Cliff Trial. Okay, so this whole trial is expected to take about 4 hours.
3 to 5 hours, yes.
3 to 5 hours. Fish, good luck to us. Have a great day. Bye.
This is the bridge. Coffin Cliff.
It is about 12-25 meters, but Helen says it is the hardest trial. Let's make it happen.
Whoa!
We reached 700.
About
We reached-
60%.
Yay!
Done. So we can see a lot of birds shipping, waiting to see the viewpoint. Then the jacuzzi pool. Halfway already. More than half.
Almost there.
Oh, it's great. I mean, in Hindi we say dil mange more.
Dil mange more.
So what does it mean? Is we want more of it.
We want more of it.
So Helen really made it happen for us. So just waiting for the final viewpoint, and then probably we'll wait for the.
So here it is. Another 30 step. Whoa! Where are we? Mama Radhika, where are we already? That's our lot. So how do you feel?
Oh man, I must have gone through a few trials,
Yeah,
but this is the worth making it.
worth it. Totally
So
worth it.
It's like the helicopter view that you get,
Yeah,
from the top.
Yeah.
So you don't need to climb the helicopter.
yeah,
You use your legs. You come here,
yeah.
and then you get a full view of the forest.
That's right.
Yeah, I think you can see the river. You can see the villas here. And we're staying at villa. This is the lodge. That's the forest. There is staff quarters where John stays.
Yeah.
And we made it through all the way around from there. Okay.
I'm
so
up
we
here.
started there, and then we came all the way upwards. And then
So here we are. Yay! Congratulations, Mama Radhika. Mama Radhika.